Good morning, everyone! Good morning! Alagi pang gutom pa man siguro sila. I need your alive moments. Good morning! Yes, good morning, everyone! I'm requesting everyone, before ta mag-start, please, pwede makaduol mo sa mga spaces there sa front, sa atong mga attendees. Please do come near sa atong stage para closer ta kang God, closer ta sa wisdom ni Lord. Come on, let's go in front. Come on. Let's go in front. Come on. Before ta mag-start. Our minds and souls with learnings from our speakers today. Ready na ba kayo? Hinay. Ready na ba kayo? Ana, dapat full of energy. Bahalag couples. Yes. So before we formally start the session, mag-warm up sa ta. Gusto mo og prizes? Gusto ba mag prizes? Ana ba? Prizes, giveaways, feast con ng mga prizes. So simple lang naman atong pag-games this morning. We will play our pambansang palaro dito sa FeastCon Masterclass. Kabalo ba mo unsa? Unsa man? Bring me with a twist. Na siya'y twist. So, you will bring an item na dapat laging magka-partner. So, duha mo sa imong partner or na may ka-pair because these things are just better when they're together. So, dapat na i-pair ha. So, kung mag-bring me na amoy dala na gift, dala na item, so dapat duha mo ka-book. So, for example, bring me an item na laging magkasama during lunchtime. Na may idea kung sa edad on sa lunchtime. O sa man, plato, or spoon on fork. So magdala mo item, bahalag same item siya or different item, basta duha mo magdala. Okay? I think musaka sila sa stage or diri lang kang bro. Ay, dito na. Okay. Okay, sa ilaha duha. So makita ninyo sila either or sila. So kani si bro and the sis sa kilid. So bring an item. Duha ha. Mga kumpira ba niya mga kauban sa face? Kumpi ba ang tanan? Hala, uy, gutom naman siguro. Pero dili pa dapat gutom. Alive tayo together. So, I will call out an item or situation and you must bring the correct pair as fast as you can. And the first one to bring the complete and correct pair when win the round. So, get ready, think fast, and remember, we can do this together. So, ready na ba? Round 1. Hala, nag-prepare na lagi sila sa ilang bag. Nag-open na lagi mo. Kumpi man sila eh. So, number 1. Duha mo dapat ha. Bring me something na makitaan sa office. Bring me something na makitaan sa office. Go! Ato lang mo sa kaning the other side. Come on. Hala, dali. Wow. So, ball pen ang ilahang na-claim. So, kani sila ang first winner. So, thank you. Aton prizes, man na to ma-claim, bro. Kasi sa ilaha lang. Okay. Okay, kumpi kayo sila. Na nag-ballpen. So, correct, no? Makita ginato ang ballpen sa office. Okay, number 2. Round 2. Bring me something na meron ka basta nagta-travel. Go! Bring me something meron ka basta nagta-travel. Okay, isa may unaan eh. Kani? Ano man? Pair mo sis? O dili na? Di-give up na sila? Okay, come on, sama na siya. Tissue, wow! Gianda mo na po na nila ganina. Congratulations! Okay, last round. Bring me something pag mag-feast. Go! Bring me something na mag-feast kayong dalawa. Come on! Duvina to Gazla Grocery or something. Okay, here's the winner. Congratulations. Pakpakan na to ato mga participants. Yes, congratulations sa inyo. Ang prizes inyo ato lang okay. I think we are now ready for our class. So thank you and congratulations to all our winners. Welcome once again to everyone. This is the class of Brother Alvin Barcelona with the talk title, Akala mo wala lang pero meron. Mura ni siya salida sa ni Carlo, no? So it is a crucial conversation for every married couple needs a family and relationship class. Okay, my name is Brother Marhel Pulido from Feast Butuan MSC, and I will be your host for today's masterclass. Gaya ninyo, I am very excited to learn with all of you today and be inspired with our speakers have for us. Well, just a few announcements before we begin. Again, our expo hall is bigger and better. FeastCon Mindanao fam, please check out our expo hall for exclusive treats from our sponsors, food options, FeastCon merchandise, and Facebooks, and many more. So many exciting things await you at the expo hall. Paglabas nyo lang ng atrium sa rotunda at andyan po ang ating expo hall. So just please go around and enjoy what we have prepared for you. And also, Feastbooks is also launching an inspiring new title here in FeastCon Mindanao. It's time to feel better how befriending your emotions can heal your life by Brother Bo Sanchez, our heart healing guide on how befriending your emotions can lead you to real peace and joy by Brother Bo Sanchez. And he will have a special book signing session at 12:25 p.m. during the lunch break, right after this class at the atrium. It's time to feel better. Brother Bo's newest book is also available now at the Feast Books booths. Don't miss the special launching discount family. And now we're ready. Our speaker for this morning is our regional feast builder of Feast Provincial. Kindly welcome together Brother Alvin Barcelona.
Thank you, brother. Good morning, FeastCon, and good morning to all of you.
Ayan, thank you, Brother Alvin Barcelona. Let's give him a round of applause, please, Con. Thank you, Brother Alvin. Every time I hear that song, makahilak jud ka, no? Emotional gig kay ka ba? Thank you, Brother Alvin. I think naman tayo nakuha na mga reflections, no? So ang ako pong nakuha is that love is not just an emotion, but a decision. Yes. So ako, mapang ko'y partner. Diba sana all? Sana all kayo mo. Anyway, sa ako na part, I realized that sa iyang giingon na it also applies to our loved ones, sa atong family, sa atong sisters and brothers, sa atong ministry, sa atong kauban sa office, sa workmates, and everyone else. Diba? We choose to love. Even during the bad days, we choose to still remain in love. Come on. Ayan. So, thank you, Brother Alvin, once again for that insightful talk. So, closing announcements muna tayo. We'd love to welcome you to the feast and make it your weekly spiritual home of worship, inspiration, and community. Labi na sa katong mga first-timers na wapay natin na feast. To know more, just visit feast.ph or drop by our new attendee corner or ask any of our dear volunteers here in this room. Okay, we have different feasts around the world. So here sa Mindanao, na ay Butuan, na ay Cagayan de Oro, na ay Davao, Panabo, Tagum, Coronadal, Cotabato, Zamboanga. We have also feasts in Visayas, Manila, and even international. So if you have your loved ones na sa mga different areas of the world, please invite them at the feast. So after FeastCon, we will see you next week at the feast. And second, your favorite FeastCon merch is here again. Just check out our new collection of shirts, hoodies, caps, and more at the Feast Conference merchandise booths in the expo hall. Make sure to drop by after this session. And thank you so much for joining us today, this morning. As mentioned earlier, this is only the beginning because God has even more in store. So stay open and expectant for what He's about to speak into your life. So we'll take a lunch break before we move into the next class. Our next class starts at 1:40 p.m. In the meantime, feel free to explore our expo hall, connect with fellow feasters in the lobby, and enjoy all the experiences we prepared for you. And I think we have our book signing with Brother Bo here at the atrium. So please stand by lang if you want. And God bless each one of you, and may this conference weekend be a time for community, God, and you. Thank you, and see you later, feasters!